Guys, welcome to Doctors Academia. Today I'll be talking about recurrent laryngeal nerve paralysis. So first of all, the thyroid gland, the upper pole of the thyroid gland is related to superior laryngeal nerve and the superior thyroid artery. Inferior pole of the thyroid gland is related to recurrent laryngeal nerve and the inferior thyroid artery. Motor supply to all the laryngeal muscles except for cricothyroid is supplied by recurrent laryngeal nerve. So whenever there is a paralysis, all the abductors get paralyzed. So unilateral recurrent laryngeal paralysis eventually leads to hoarseness of the voice. It is managed conservatively. Bilateral recurrent laryngeal paralysis eventually lead to stridor in the patient. Usually, bilateral recurrent laryngeal nerve paralysis is problematic and the patient is managed with tracheostomy. Tracheostomy followed by vocal cord lateralization. And point extra, superior laryngeal nerve, internal laryngeal nerve, whenever get paralyzed, you will lose all the sensation above vocal cords. Eventually leading to aspiration. Thank you.